Have you ever wondered why Google Search Console is a must-have tool for every SEO specialist? Well, let's dive into it. Google Search Console, previously known as Google Webmaster Tools, is a vital instrument for anyone striving to increase their website's visibility and reach. It's like having a backstage pass to your website's performance, offering an unfiltered view of how Google perceives your site. You can uncover a treasure trove of insights, such as which queries are leading users to your site, whether your site is mobile-friendly, and how effectively Google is crawling your site's content. These key features and many more make Google Search Console an indispensable tool in your SEO arsenal. It's not just about understanding your site's performance, but also about empowering you to take action based on that knowledge. Stay tuned to discover the wonders of Google Search Console for your SEO tasks. First things first, you need to set up Google Search Console. Setting up Google Search Console is a straightforward process, but we're here to guide you through every step. You'll need a Google account to start, so if you don't have one, take a moment to create one. It's free and easy. After that, sign in and get ready to take the first step into optimizing your website's visibility. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Search Console's homepage. Here, you'll see an option to add a property. This property is essentially your website. Click on Add a Property and enter the URL of your website. Make sure to enter the exact URL, including the HTTPS if your site uses it. After entering your URL, hit the Continue button. Now Google needs to ensure that you're the rightful owner of the website you've added. This step is imperative because it prevents anyone from adding your website without your knowledge. There are several ways to verify your ownership, but let's discuss the most common ones. The recommended method is the HTML file upload. Google will provide an HTML file that you need to download and upload to your website's root directory. Once you've done that, click Verify. Remember, this file should remain in your website's directory to maintain verification. Another popular method is the HTML tag. Google will provide a meta tag that you need to copy and paste into the head section of your website's homepage. After adding the tag, click Verify. If these methods seem a bit technical, don't worry. You can also verify ownership through your domain name provider, your Google Analytics account, or your Google Tag Manager account. Choose the method that suits you best. Once you've completed the verification process, congratulations! You've successfully set up your Google Search Console. Now, you can start tracking your website's performance, identify potential issues, and understand better how Google and its users view your site. Now that you've set up your Google Search Console, let's dive into its features. Google Search Console boasts several features that make SEO tasks a breeze. This dynamic tool is packed to the brim with functionalities designed to streamline your SEO efforts and help you understand how your site is performing in Google's search results. Let's start with the performance feature. It's like having a personal detective, tirelessly keeping tabs on your site's visibility, clicks, impressions, and click-through rates. It provides a detailed breakdown of your site's performance in search results, helping you identify what's working and what needs a little more love. Next, we have the URL inspection tool. Think of it as your site's health checker. It peeks into individual URLs on your site, assessing their status and visibility to Google's crawlers. If you've ever wondered why a certain page isn't showing up in search results, this tool holds the answers. Then there's the coverage feature. Like a vigilant guardian, it monitors your site's index pages, alerting you to any issues that might prevent your pages from being indexed and found by users. It's a feature that ensures no page is left behind. And let's not forget the sitemaps feature. It's your site's roadmap for Google's crawlers, guiding them through your content. By submitting a sitemap, you're helping Google understand the structure of your site, making it easier for its crawlers to find and index your pages. But that's not all. There are numerous other features like mobile usability, which checks whether your site is mobile-friendly, and security and manual actions, that alerts you to potential security issues or penalties. These are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the arsenal of tools Google Search Console offers. Each feature is designed to give you insight, control, and the ability to optimize your site for the best possible performance in Google's search results. These features might seem overwhelming, but don't worry, we'll break them down. It's time to delve deeper into the features of Google Search Console. Let's start with the performance report. This is your go-to place for analyzing clicks, impressions, and positions for your website on Google Search. It's like having a spyglass into how Google sees your site. You can find out which queries are driving traffic to your site and which pages are the most popular. The data here is real-time and very detailed. You can filter it by query, page, country, device, and more. So, if you're curious about how your latest blog post is performing, or if you want to see if your mobile site is getting the attention it deserves, the performance report has you covered. Next up, we have the URL inspection tool. This little gem allows you to check specific URLs on your website to see how Google Search sees them. You can use it to fetch as Google, request indexing, and see if a page is mobile-friendly. It's like having a personal conversation with Google about each page on your site. You can even use it to diagnose issues like why a page isn't appearing in search results. So, if you're ever scratching your head wondering why a certain page isn't performing as expected, the URL inspection tool might just have the answers you're looking for. Moving on, let's talk about the coverage report. This report shows you which pages on your site are indexed and which aren't. It also gives you a heads up on any indexing issues that might need your attention. For example, if a page is blocked by robots.txt or has a noindex tag, it will show up here. It's like having a health checkup for your website's presence on Google Search. So, if you're ever worried about whether all your pages are being indexed, or if you want to address indexing issues head-on, the coverage report is your trusty guide. Last, but certainly not least, we have the sitemaps report. This is where you can submit your sitemap to Google. A sitemap is like a roadmap of your website that helps Google find all your important pages. You can also use the sitemaps report to see if Google had any issues reading your sitemap or if it found any URLs in your sitemap that it couldn't crawl. So if you're ever wondering if your sitemap is doing its job or if you need to troubleshoot sitemap issues, the sitemaps report is your best friend. These tools are not just features, they are powerful instruments that, when used correctly, can give you valuable insights into your website's performance and visibility on Google Search. They can help you optimize your site for search engines, troubleshoot issues, and make data-driven decisions. With these tools at your disposal, SEO becomes a more manageable task. Google Search Console, a powerful ally for all your SEO needs. In our digital odyssey today, we've traversed the vast landscape of Google Search Console, unearthing its immense potential. Now, let's take a moment to reflect on this journey and the treasures we've uncovered. Google Search Console, as we've seen, is not just a tool. It's your own personal SEO wizard, working tirelessly behind the scenes to elevate your online presence. It's the silent partner that's always there, offering crucial insights and helping you make informed decisions. Remember the setup process we discussed? It's as simple as a few clicks, but it unlocks a world of possibilities. Once you've set up Google Search Console, you've essentially turned on the beacon that guides Google's search engine to your website. It's like inviting a friend over for a visit and leaving the front porch light on so they can find their way. Then, we delved into the console's features. Each one is a gem in its own right, designed to empower you with knowledge and control. The performance report, for instance, is your mirror, reflecting your website's performance in the vast ocean of the internet. It shows you which keywords are driving traffic, where your visitors are coming from, and how well your pages are doing in search results. Then there's the index coverage report, your own personal detective, investigating your website's pages to ensure they are indexed correctly. It identifies any issues and even suggests remedies. It's like having a dedicated team of investigators tirelessly working to keep your website in top shape. The URL inspection tool is another powerful feature. It's like a magnifying glass, allowing you to zoom in on individual URLs and examine their indexing status. It's an invaluable tool when you're looking to troubleshoot specific issues or optimize individual pages. So there you have it. Google Search Console in all its glory is a powerhouse of functionality, designed to make your SEO tasks more effective and efficient. It's your route to understanding and improving your website's performance in Google Search. Embrace the power of Google Search Console and watch your SEO tasks become more effective and efficient.